Welcome to the Full Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording, and it is 2:45 p.m. That is Central Time, and today is June 19th. It's also the Juneteenth holiday, or official holiday in the USA. So Wall Street was closed, the bond market was closed, but just about everything else is open. So what we're looking at right now is the World Equity Index futures market, and we can see that the Nasdaq 100 future is down about 1.1%, and the Dow Jones Industrial is down almost 1%, and then the vast majority of markets around the world were in negative territory today, and that was led lower by China in the morning, and then Australia not down quite as much, but then the majority of European markets were down in excess of 1%, particularly Germany and Spain. So this is directly in response to the growing possibility that the USA is going to become involved in the conflict with Iran. And that was, I think, pointed out in news channels later in the evening yesterday. And it fed through into the market environment this morning. So oil prices were up in here today, and Brent crude was up $2, whereas West Texas Intermediate was only up 66 cents. So that very clearly helps to emphasize where the pressure is going to bear if the Straits of Hormuz are closed down or interfered with. Then we had a mixed performance from precious metals. So gold was rock steady at still closing out the day at 3,370, up $1. But platinum was very volatile. So it closed out the day at about $1,300, and that was only down 10, but it was down significantly more than that intraday. And then silver was down 55 cents, but still holding above the $36 level. Then several of the grains and beans, or the soft commodities, those markets are closed today. But the sugar price in the UK was in positive territory today, up 13. Then Bitcoin was down about $500, but still holding above the 100,000 big psychological level. And we're continuing to see a lot of speculation around what exactly is likely to happen. Are we going to have a much more pronounced bombing activity of Iran? And what other countries are going to become involved? Those are, I think, some of the bigger questions